adding 3 add-ins together. Today we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to have a story with it. So we're going to have to figure out what the 3 things that we are going to add together are. So we're going to have to read the story and pay attention and figure it out to put together the 3 numbers. Now, today we are going to draw a picture to help us add these 3 numbers together. So this is a strategy you can use to help you if you have trouble adding 3 numbers together. Remember yesterday, we added 2 of the numbers together and then added that 3rd number. That was one of our strategies. So this is to help us to be able to add the 3 add-ins together. But then it wants you to be able to do it on your own, hopefully in your brain. Okay, so I want you to be able to picture it in your brain. First, though, we're going to picture it on our paper. Okay, up here is where our story is. So I want you to read the story with me, please. Megan put 8 fish in the tank. Tess put in 2 more fish. Then Bob put in 3 more fish. How many fish are in the tank now? So what are we trying to find?
How many fish are there?
Fish. So I want you to trace the word fish because that is what we are trying to find, is how many fish are in the tank. This is something we need to picture in our brain. We are trying to find fish. Okay? What numbers do we need to add together? Eli?
8, 2, and 3.
Very good. 8, 2, and 3. Where did Eli get those numbers?
They're right beside
They are, but where did they get those numbers?
That's how many they put in the tank.
Where did you get those numbers? How do you know that that's how many you put in the tank?
It's because it's what the story said.
It's what the story said. So if we go up here in the story, we can circle 8 fish, 2 more fish, and 3 fish. Because are those important? First grade, are those important numbers? Yes, they are. So you need to circle them in your story because they are important. So now that we know we have 8 fish, 2 fish, and 3 fish, what can we do down here in our tin frame? No one knows how we're going to use our tin frame? How are we going to use our tin frame?
We're going to use 10 and 3.
No. Did I see a number 10 anywhere here? No. What are we going to do?
We are going to put 2 more in that 10 frame.
We're just going to draw 2. What should we start with first?
The number
8. Why?
because
It's in the story. Thank you, Mia. We're going to draw 8 counters because that's what the story told us first. So we're going to stay nice and organized, and we're going to put in our 8 counters first. So please go ahead and draw your 8 counters. Now what are we going to do? Do 2 more. Because the story told us we needed to draw 2 more. Now what are we going to do? we're going to draw 3 more. Do you see what we're doing first grade? We're staying nice and organized. We're not making up numbers that aren't there. We are going to be using the numbers that the story told us. That's why we came up here to the story and we circled important numbers and words. Okay? And then we stayed organized and we used those numbers. We're not just going to make up numbers. So, what was the first number I used? Thomas? 8. So what number am I going to put in my number sentence? 8. Very good. What goes in the circle? Plus sign, because we are doing what? We are adding. We're getting more and more. It said that. Okay. So now, what's our next number? 2. Because that's what we do next. What are we going to put in the circle first grade?
Plus sign.
Because we are Why did I not put an equal sign?
Because we're adding.
We're adding. We still have to get more. If you put an equal sign, then that's not right. We need to put a plus sign because we're adding more. How much more are we adding? Thank you for saying that in your brain. How much more are we adding? What's our next number? 3. Thank you. Okay. Now, what are we going to put in the circle? Equals. Thank you. Raise your hand if you know what 8 plus 2 plus 3 is. Yesterday, we would have combined 2 numbers. But today, if I look at my picture at my 10 plane, I see that it's a lot easier to look at to see my number. So was this a good strategy to do, drawing a 10 plane? I think so because you can see it really easily. What's my answer, first grade?
13.
So how many fish do they have all together?
13
fish. You guys are exactly right.